In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the swing on a refrigerator door. First, make sure your doors can be reversed. If you find these tabs on the opposite side of the hinge, you know your doors can be reversed. You'll also notice locations for screws to mount the hinges on the opposite side of the door. You can start by removing the nameplate to reveal the screw hole for the handle. Next, I remove the handles. I start by loosening the bottom screws. Next, I move the handle to the left and then push up to remove the handle from the screw. You can see from the picture the screw fits in a slot. Next, I remove the caps for the new hinge location. I also remove the cap on top of the hinge. Here I'm removing the top hinge. The door should stay in place because of the magnets on the door. With the top hinge removed, I can now lift the door off the bottom hinge. Now I can remove the bottom part of the hinge on the freezer door. Now I reattach it to the other side. I also remove the handle screw and reattach it to the other side. I hate when that happens. Now I remove the top hinge pin with a 3/8 wrench. After I remove the pin, I can remove the door. Now I remove the hinge and reinstall it on the other side. I tighten the screws from the previous hinge location. Now I go to the bottom of the fridge and remove the grill to reveal the screws for the hinge on the opposite side. Now I remove the bottom hinge and relocate it to the other side. Now I flip the grill over to hide the screws on the other side that we won't be using. Now I remove the pivot and reinstall it on the outside hole. After the pivot's relocated, I can reinstall the door. Now I line the door up and install the top pivot. Now I can set the top door in place. That's closed. Now I reinstall the top hinge. Hold the door up. After I install the top hinge, I check to make sure the gap is even on both sides of the door. The gap was uneven, so I had to loosen the top hinge screws and adjust the door to even the gap. After I adjusted the door, I can retighten the hinge screws. I double check it one more time. Now I can reinstall the handle. I slide the handle on top of the screw and pull down to snap it in place. Then I reinstall the screws and I drop the drill. Now I reinstall the cover plate. Last thing I need to do is get double-sided tape and reinstall the nameplate to cover the hole from the handle. That's how you reverse the swing on a refrigerator door. I hope this helped. Until next time, thanks for watching.
If you'd like to see more how-to ideas, visit my website at www.doityourselfwithjoe.com. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button to keep up to date with future videos. Also, visit and like me on Facebook.